Many people ask me, what is the best AI tool to get started? And sometimes the answer is disappointing because my answer to that is ChatGPT. It's not because it's the most popular, there's a hype around OpenAI or ChatGPT. It's because I believe this is the most versatile tool to get started. It is well rounded. You can do about everything for a small business owner to entrepreneur to solopreneur. You can do a bit of ID generation, modeling, financial, marketing, image generation, get a bit of everything. Is it the best at everything? No, it's not. It's not the best tool out there, but it's the best tool to get everything under one roof. So if you are a small entrepreneur, you want to get started, you want to play with AI, one tool, ChatGPT, play with it, learn it, master it, apply it to business, see results. And later on, you can improve and try new tools. If you're not sure how to do this, if you need help, guidance, contact me. Let's have a talk. I'll do this for free. I'll give you some pointer there. But get started with one tool. You've got this.